Hello, boys and girls. I'm here to show you the results of our window garden with the lima bean seeds that we planted the other day. They're starting to open up, and the first thing to come out to sprout is the root. Now, on Morris's bag you can see it, but we can see it even clearer on Delaney's bag, which is on the table right here. You can see the root coming out first. Can you see it? See how it's starting to grow? The root is coming first, and next will be the stem. Also, I wanted to show you the results from our stem experiment. We put them in the food coloring, and if you'll notice on the celery, the dye is starting to move up the stem, just like the nutrients do come from the water and move up the stems of the plants. The green is starting to. See yellow? Yellow we really can't see, but the green is starting to. The dye is starting to travel up the stems to show you how the stem carries up the nutrients in the water and the vitamins so the plant grows.